Hi, it's Blaine and Megan here to tell you about
The kids remote control car.
All right, Blaine's going to tell us about the remote.
So this is the trigger, so you can pull it back, and that makes it go forward, and this makes it go backwards, and this makes it turn this way and that way.
All right, show us how to turn it on.
There's this switch on the bottom. You turn that way, turns right on, and those lights blink, and it's on. In the remote control, this is how you turn it on.
All right, can you tell us about the car?
Yeah. And it can roll like that, and roll like that, and back up like that, and it can turn this way to mommy, and then backwards.
How fast can it go?
I'm gonna be right here. I'm gonna stand up. Pull, and it's back here. So it's
It can go 13 miles an hour.
yeah. And look, these flames can light up and look.
And here it goes.